Does Discovery Plus have live TV? Discovery Plus is primarily an on-demand streaming service that offers a vast collection of documentaries, reality shows, and original content. While it does not provide traditional live TV channels, it does offer select live streaming options for certain networks. 1. No traditional live TV channels. Discovery Plus does not function like a cable or satellite provider with continuous live TV streaming. Instead, it provides on-demand access to shows from Discovery-owned networks. 2. Live streaming of select networks. In some regions, Discovery Plus offers live streaming of specific channels such as Discovery Channel, TLC, Animal Planet, Food Network, and HGTV. This feature is only available in certain subscription plans. 3. Live events and special programming. Discovery Plus occasionally streams live events such as nature documentaries, science expos, and reality show specials. These are announced in advance and may be limited to premium subscribers. 4th, alternative live TV access through cable apps. Users who have a cable or satellite TV subscription can access live Discovery-owned channels through their provider's app. This is separate from Discovery Plus and requires a valid TV provider login. Availability of live sports. Discovery Plus has incorporated live sports in select regions, such as coverage of the Olympic Games and motorsports events. However, this is not a primary feature of the service. 6. Third-party streaming services for live TV. Users who want live Discovery-owned channels can subscribe to streaming platforms like Hulu plus Live TV, YouTube TV, or Sling TV, which include these networks in their live TV packages. 7th, regional restrictions on live content. The availability of live streaming on Discovery Plus varies by country. Some regions may have access to live channels, while others only receive on-demand content. Discovery Plus does not provide full live TV coverage, but does offer select live streamed content depending on the region and subscription plan. Users looking for continuous live TV access may need to subscribe to a separate live TV service.